Christmas, عيد ميلاد المسيح. Welcome, everyone. In this video, you'll learn Christmas vocabulary in English and Arabic. في هذا الفيديو ستتعلم مفردات عيد ميلاد المسيح بالإنجليزية والعربية. New Year's Eve Party. Christmas tree. Star. Decoration. Countdown. Santa Claus. Gift or present. Fireworks or firecrackers. Confetti or streamers. Balloons. Party favors. Wreath or garland. Bells.
Lights.
Bauble or ornaments. Candy cane. Holy berry. Angel. Bible. Carlos. Cross and crucifixion. False impulse. Resurrection. Missionary. Family dinner. Snowman. Crown of thorns. Pattern. Reindeer. Sleigh.